Hello everyone, this is MJS Pawan. In this video, we are going to discuss about the mathematical physics, that is of the ordinary differential equation. This will be having the KSET 2021 revision series. This is just a warm-up section. So here we'll be going to discuss the only the basic concept. Let's begin the section. Before beginning, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. Introduction. What a differential equation is an equation relating an independent variable, example t, a dependent variable y, and one or more derivative of y with respect to t. Here, which means that the independent variable is t and the dependent variable is y, where the y depends on the t. So, how we can write using this 2 in an expressional form is that is dx by dt, which means here x is depend upon t, that is t is the independent variable. Similarly here t is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. So one more example, d square y by dx square plus 3x squared y square dy by dx is equal to 0. This is also a differential equation. In this section, we will look at a specific type of differential equation and how to solve them using different method. And let's begin. That is classifying an equation. We can classify our differential equation by four properties. Like, is it an ordinary differential equation? Before solving an equation, we have to see that the given equation is an ordinary or not. Next is it an linear? Does it have a constant coefficient? What is it? Order. These are the main four things you have to know about the properties of a differential equation in order to classify them. What is an ordinary? Let's see then ordinary. An ordinary differential equation, or commonly known as ODE, has only an one independent variable, for example x or t. Means when you are writing a differential equation, we can see only the independent variable, that is will be in x or t. It will be not having more than one. An alternative with more than one is called as partial differential equation, and I will be not discussing in this series. After completion in the progressive videos, I will be discussing about the partial differential too. What is linearity? A differential equation is linear if every term in the equation contain none or exactly one either dependent variable or its derivative. What does it mean? Let's see an example. There are no product of dependent variable with itself or its derivative. Each term has at most one power of equivalent of x or x dot or x double dot or so on, that is f of x and its derivative. Means, example, you can see here the power of this is 1, but here there is a square, so it is not a linear. Here one more thing, you can f of 3 f cube of x, this is also an not a linear one. And here you can see it is a linear. The f term contains 1. The power of f, that is the function, is 1. So this is a linear. Next, constant coefficient. A differential equation has a constant coefficient if the dependent variable and all the derivatives only multiple by constant. Means, for example, which we have a constant coefficient, here 3. This is the constant coefficient here, where you are considering only on the LS side, left hand side. And here there is no constant coefficient for that is square f by dx square. So there is no constant coefficient. Next, here also there is no constant coefficient, because here 1, 3, 2. There is no constant term in this left hand side. So there is no constant coefficient here. Next, finally, you can see here there is a constant coefficient. 3 e power x df by dx plus e power x f of x is equal to x cube. So you can see here there is a constant coefficient e power x, e power x. So what we are going to do, you would just divide by e power x. What is an order? The order of a differential equation is largest number of derivative of dependent variable. You have to keep in mind that this is the largest number of derivative. Okay, that not the power of the dependent variable, not the independent one. This is the dependent one. For every taken differential equation. So example is df by dx. So you can see is here f is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. So what we are going to do, choose is dependent variable only. So here the power of f is 1. So it is a first order. Next consider second one. Here the order of f means how many times the f is getting differential is twice. So this is a second order. Similarly this is also second order. Suppose if there is an one more term here, d cube f divided by dx cube plus 3d square f by dx square plus df by dx. In this case what you have to know is this is the third order differential equation. Like how we can use this application in the real time example is real life example, that is the spring. You will be doing an experiment in the lab that is measuring this about the spring constant. So the differential equation of this spring is comes out to be d square y by dx dt square plus m dy m y plus some constant is equal to 0. That is an differential equation, that is linear differential equation. So solution of this is come out to be some sine component, so we are getting the sine function. So this will be discussing in the upcoming video. Just I am giving an application of an differential equation. Thank you for watching. See you in next class. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.